The production solutions by TÖNNJES offer modular system solutions for the production of number plates, from the classic press to the fully automated factory. TÖNNJES offers tailor-made number plate productions that can be adapted to country-specific requirements. Our systems for the production of vehicle number plates are used all over the world and represent the latest technology. Our many years of experience help to ensure a high level of occupational safety and efficiency. Tools, machines and production facilities are designed according to the modular system and can be integrated either in a modular way or as a complete production line, regardless of whether the registration system is centralized or decentralized. This also includes the personalisation of holographic security elements, stickers and individual plastic number plates. In addition, the minimal maintenance effort, the low production costs and the uncomplicated operation of the systems are further advantages of our production solutions. With the IDE robot and IDE press, we have brought flexible and cost-effective solutions for personalisation of number plates to the market. These machines expand the possibilities of automated and secure plate production. As an example, the IDE robot can produce up to 8 different plate types and also different plate sizes in one machine. Our wide range of solutions, as well as our special machine construction, offers suitable solutions for every area of application and the most diverse requirements. Before delivery, our products undergo a practical test under realistic conditions in order to meet our strict quality and safety standards.